components of food, and these 7 components are the proteins, the carbohydrates, the fats, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. Now out of all these 7 nutrients, everyone should have the equal amounts of these nutrients. So today in my video I will discuss the concept or the nutrient that is the roughage. Roughage is also known as the dietary fiber. So these are the two names for the same concept. Dietary fiber, roughage and dietary fiber. Basically, when I am talking about the roughage or the dietary fibers, so first I will tell you what are the functions of this component or why we need this component in our day-to-day food that we eat. So basically, the first function of this nutrient or this component is that it helps in the digestion. Basically, when I say digestion, that means it helps in the absorption. So we can say that the dietary fibers help in the absorption of the nutrients in the food. So for example, if I am eating a rice, so rice means I am eating a form of carbohydrate. So when I am eating a carbohydrate, I need some fibers who can absorb these nutrients. So when we do not eat fibers, there will be no absorption of these nutrients. If there is no absorption of the nutrients, then that food item will go a waste. So basically, dietary fibers are actually the supplement that we should eat in addition to the diet, so that they help in the absorption of the nutrients and they will provide us energy, or they will help in the bodybuilding if I am eating a protein. Now for example, if there is digestion of the food, so it helps in the proper digestion. That means all the nutrients will be absorbed and the extra, that is actually the waste that is not required in the body, will be excreted out. So that is the main function of the dietary fibers. The next function of these fibers is that they help in the retention of water. So importance of water is that it helps in the proper development of our body. It provides us with lot of minerals. So basically the fibers help in retention of water. That means if we actually lose out water, it is a state of dehydration. And in the state of dehydration, we actually feel that there is loss of water. And this is, so to prevent such a state of dehydration, we must eat dietary fibers so that the water is retained in our body and we always feel fresh, we always feel hydrated. Now we have discussed the functions of the dietary fibers. Let us discuss the sources of dietary fibers. So there are the two main sources of dietary fibers. They are also found in the salads. They are also found in the fresh fruits and vegetables. Even potato also contains the nutrient of roughage. Now this was everything about the roughage. The main concept was that it helps in the digestion of food, basically the absorption of the nutrients in the food. And when they absorb the nutrients, it helps in proper digestion. That means it helps in proper development of the body. The second function we have discussed is that they help in the retention of water. That means it helps to absorb the minerals from the water and it will keep us fresh. This was the concept of roughage or dietary fibers.